Stock market stocking fillers. Are you ready for the Christmas stock list? My team and I have been working on getting these ready for you, okay, as part of the Great Investments program. And what we've done is go through the stocks which are going to be right for the ones who've been good, which we think, the ones that I'd want my son, basically, he's been good, him to have in his portfolio. The ones for people who have been a bit naughty, in other words, the really speculative ones for the next 12 months. Those might be in quantum computing, they might be in AI data center infrastructure building companies. Okay. And then we've got the ones for the cautious people, safe, solid, steady companies with a bit of zip added through a tiny bit of leverage sprinkled in. Our goal, 40% over 12 months on each of those categories. That is coming soon. Keep an eye out. Do like and follow both on TikTok and YouTube for that. But the excitement and the rundown to Christmas starts here. So get ready.